Today, we're soaring over the leafy suburb of West Wickham, on the fringe of Greater London, to explore a Tudor mansion with a story that stretches back over 550 years. Wickham Court. Tucked away among modern streets and suburban calm, Wickham Court is a rare survivor from the 15th century, a time when England was still reeling from the Hundred Years' War and preparing for the rise of the Tudors. Built around 1469 by Sir Henry Heydon, the house is a stunning example of late medieval domestic architecture. Its red brick facade and traditional courtyard layout whisper of an age long past, when the court was not only a home, but a symbol of wealth and influence. Sir Henry married Anne Boleyn, aunt of the future Queen of England, the second wife of Henry VIII. This marriage linked Wickham Court, however distantly, to the drama of the Tudor court and its dynastic struggles. The house was originally built around a central courtyard, typical of the period, with tall brick chimneys and mullioned windows. The red brick used in its construction was a luxury material at the time, a mark of status that aligned Sir Henry with the new tastes of the Tudor elite. At the core of the house lies a great hall, once the social and administrative heart of the estate. It would have hosted banquets, legal proceedings, and visits from powerful allies. After Sir Henry's death in 1504, Wickham Court passed through various hands. By the 17th century, it was owned by the Lovelace family, connected to Richard Lovelace, the Cavalier poet who penned verses during the English Civil War. The house remained in private hands for centuries, quietly evolving as tastes and styles changed. Georgian sash windows were later inserted into some sections, and the interior saw numerous Victorian updates, though much of its original timber and layout still remain. Wickham Court also stands near St. John the Baptist Church, one of the oldest churches in the borough, with its own roots in Saxon times. This small patch of West Wickham has seen nearly 1,000 years of English history unfold, from medieval manners to modern life. During World War II, Wickham Court was requisitioned for military use, much like many large English homes. It served as an operations base and quarters for soldiers, its thick walls sheltering wartime secrets as they once hosted Tudor intrigues. By the 20th century, the house found a new purpose as an educational institution, most recently the home of Wickham Court School. Its classrooms once echoed with children's voices, where once there were courtly whispers and clerical meetings. Wickham Court isn't a relic of the past. It's a survivor, a building that has adapted and endured. So many stories have been written within these walls, and from the air, we see it not as a forgotten building, but as a chapter in the ever-unfolding book of England's past.